this time, magamit kita ng Magic Blusher, the Cheek Color, the 30 ml, the waterproof and long-lasting na blusher. Magic Blusher siya, pwede nato siya i-eyeshadow, i-blush on, and in lipstick. And perfect siya sa mga toddler, pregnant woman, and teenager, o mga lactating. Perfect siya, guys. And what I love this one is pigmented and lightweight sa face or sa skin kung gamitin ka. And what I love is blendable o affordable. So, as you can see, nakita, from white, kaya naman gitawag siya ng magic blusher, kaya from white to pink, o, diba? With and without, as you can see. Take note na pigmented ini siya sa pag-apply. Gamay-gamayon na tingi-tingion until makuha ni mo yung gusto na pagka-pink. And yung pagka-pink is fresh pink. Pikas. Shadan. And what I love this one is multitasking na siya. All-in-one na siya na pagka-blusher. Pwede lipstick, pwede blush on, pwede eyeshadow, and perfect pang everyday use and any occasion. Diba? Perfect siya, guys. Pang duty, pang eskwela, lang, bahay, ganun. Then, perfect siya pang regalo. Diba? Diba? Ano lang? Pretty. Basta gusto mag-try, check out my basket sa Blue Up Amy. And by the way, I've been using this from last year, February 28, kumano na April na. Diba, 1 year and almost 2 months na siya in just one tube. 30 ml na one tube na siya. Yung 1 year and 2 months na siya. So, sa gusto makatipid, check out na. Bye!